We've all been there. You've come out from the shops and… Oh no! Someone's hit my car door! But not anymore, thanks to my No Ding car door protector. No Ding is guaranteed to protect your car doors from unwanted dings and dents. It's lightweight, quick and easy to install, and made with delicate protective material that won't compromise your vehicle's paintwork, and tough enough to withstand an unsuspecting bump. And when you're no longer using No Ding, simply fold it away and store it back inside your car, then install it when you park. No ding, no worries.